Ayan, business center. Meron silang pwede kang magkuhan diyan ng computer. Ayan. So, eto ang Sita lobby. Simple lang, pero komportable ka rito, simple lang. And you are treated like a king. You are treated like a royalty here in Citadines. Staff are all very kind, courteous, smiling, as if they see you as a opportunity to show their best. Yan ang Citadines Hotel. Kaya gusto namin dito eh. Kasi napaka-comfort. Lagi rito kami, si Ma'am Mocha, favorite ko niya to eh. Place for staycation. Tsaka maganda rito, pet friendly. Kaya pwede ka magdala ng pet mo. Although may charge yun, na 1,000 yata per day ang isang pet. So kung pet mo dalawa, 2,000 per day ang babayaran mo para sa mga pet. Eh yun naman kasi para pag may nagkalat, may nasira yung pet mo, ganun, allowance yun para doon. Okay, Bombay.